In the previous practice, you detected two installed products. That is the 11G Oracle Grid infrastructure with a running ASM instance plus ASM and Oracle Restart started. We also had looked at the installed product of 11G Oracle Database Server with a running Oracle RDBMS instance of DBU Ugrade. In this practice, we're going to upgrade 11G Oracle Grid infrastructure to 12C Oracle Grid infrastructure by using the Oracle Universal Installer. It will detect first the ASM instance during the Oracle Grid infrastructure upgrade, and will upgrade the ASM instance from the 11G Release 2 to the 12C Release 1 version. The ASM instance is managing the storage for the DBU Upgrade 11G database. The ASM instance will be shut down, and therefore the clients need to be shut down as well. And we're going to work with the Oracle user for the operation of shutting down the DBU Upgrade 11G database, and we'll use another terminal window opened as the grid user, as we can see right here. So here I've got, if you will, and I'll do ID, that we have the Oracle user, and over here with ID, we will see that we are logged in with as the grid user. If I do the .ORANV, you'll see that this is associated with ASM. In fact, I can echo $Oracle_SID, and we can see that we're located with plus ASM. And over here we have, with the Oracle user, we'll echo $Oracle_SID, and there's our DB upgrade as well. So the first thing we want to do is go through the process of shutting down the 11G database so that those data files are closed that ASM is using and maintaining. So we'll log into SQL Plus, and we will shut down immediate. And in this case, while that is occurring, I'll again come over here to here, and it is actually already shut down, where we're actually going to bring up the Oracle Universal Installer. And what I should note is that our Universal Installer information, the .run installer for Oracle Universal Installer, is in this particular home directory. It may be in a different one when you're doing this. So if you will, let's do ./run installer, and we'll bring up our GUI interface. And the first thing we'll do is we'll skip any software updates. Obviously that's not our intent with this particular exercise. And we're going to upgrade Oracle Grid infrastructure and the Oracle Automatic Storage Management. So we want to move them from 11G to that part. In this case, we'll